Right, Jason, what have we got here?
We've got another van, Kev.
Yep.
This one's a 2007-ish Bessicar E560. Like it?
Nice van's a Bessicar. I used to have a Bessicar.
Well, we know you used to have a Bessicar because you keep going on about your Bessicar, didn't you?
You sold it me.
I know, that's why you ended up here, wasn't it? Can't get rid of you since, can we?
Yeah.
So, what do we know about this van, Kev? What's the mileage?
I haven't got a clue.
How many bursts is it?
I'd say 4.
Have we got a statue for it?
No. So
we've got nothing?
No, it's just come back from a pre-check.
So we've got nothing for it?
No.
How are we going to sell this van, Kev?
Well, it's got age-related wear and tear, I'd say. Yeah.
Not every motorhome that gets to Motorhome HQ gets sold, does it?
Doesn't always get rehomed.
No. So some vans we do have to just move on and pass on because the amount of work involved in them. It's not to say they're a bad van.
No.
It's just that to get them up to our standards takes a lot of time and everything else. Now, we'll move this on for somebody else. Somebody else is going to get themselves a cheap motorhome who can quite happily tinker on it and do all the bits and bobs. Well, obviously when we're busy and we've got other vans to get out, it's not feasible for us to do. When we're quiet, we will tinker on them.
It's a time factor, and it's
a pottery, Kevin, isn't it?
It's a pottery.
A pottery.
It's a project.
So shall we show you why this one's not up to our standards?
Little things, because obviously to retail it out, they've got to go out right, haven't they?
Yeah, so just looking straight away, again, and I haven't looked at my little list yet, Kev. We've got a cracked mirror, yeah?
It's had a clout.
So that's going to have to get something done with it.
Yellowing headlights.
Yellowing headlights.
They will polish out. You can get kits for polishing them out.
Yeah, but again, more work involved. Yellowing headlights.
Yellowing headlights again.
So again, we're starting to come along here.
Yeah, somebody's put a bit of silicone in there because obviously the sealant's gone.
Now again, that's not a bad thing.
No.
It's not a bad thing at all. So again, probably just wants tidying up. Again.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah. It's all age related really, Jason.
I think you're right, Cav. We've got a bike crack on it.
Got a reversing camera there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got
Yeah, even your backlights are a bit discoloured, aren't they?
Yeah. So let's have a look at the little list, eh? See what I mean? It's just to be honest with you, that's pretty much cosmetic.
Yeah.
So the other thing as well, I think we've only got one key for it. It's a one key.
Yeah, one key. Even that decals, see the decals there. You know, just we wouldn't resell something like that.
No.
We'd have to start getting decals
as well. Central locking's not working.
Yeah.
Basically, it's going to need a full service. We've got wipers, lights at the front, the cab full respray. Yes. We've actually given this van a helping hand, Kevin. Yeah. Because when it did come in, it did want to spray, so we have resprayed the cab to make it look quite nice.
It was that period when they had problems with the primer. And they all started
to go on here.
Started to peel on the down pillars. the bonnet peeled. Yeah.
Start to peel on there.
And the van conversions started to go on the roof, didn't they?
We've got mirrors. We've talked about steering rack might be an issue. The other thing is tyres. The tyres on this were 2015, so they're 8 years old. They might look good tyres.
Yeah. They don't, you know, there might not be any cracking, any signs of cracking, but they need changing. Yeah,
possibly at some point it's going to need ball joints. And then there's loads of other different things, obviously, that one doing on it. So
it's a 2.2 though, wasn't it? So
when you actually look at the cost involved and the time and effort, when we've got other vans to get on with, we'll move on. Like I say, someone's going to get themselves a cheap motorhome. Shall we have a look inside it?
Yeah. I mean, if we retail and we put a warranty and everything on, but you've got to do a lot of, you know, spend a lot of time on it to get that.
So straight away, it's a nice looking van. Just have a pan around, Kev.
Yeah.
Nice looking van.
Nice layout, French bed.
Yep.
Corner washroom.
So
got the microwave. Got
straight
full size
away, I've
cooker.
just spotted something else as well. We've got a crack in this.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Yep.
Again, there, and then we're just starting to look
It's starting to, I've noticed on the other side.
This side as well, can you see?
It's starting to peel away, yeah.
When we did come into this van, there was a leak on the skylight. So what we've actually done as well is we've taken the skylight out, we've resealed it all up and back in again, and then we've water tested it and just made sure we're getting no leaks coming in, because at the end of the day, obviously we are moving the van off, but we still want the van right for somebody else. So I just think it's good things. We've got a leak on it. We weren't happy with the cab on it, so we got that resprayed as well. Just to help it. We're helping it, aren't we, Kev? We're helping it, basically. What else have we got on it? Again, we're just showing age on here as well. Can you just see?
Yes, it's
there. Somebody's had a go at wrapping it.
Yeah.
See that there, Kev?
Yeah.
Haven't done very well there, have they?
not really, have they done?
Well, they haven't
got a few bubbles in.
Haven't done a good job there
So I
at
think
all.
it's probably scratched or something, was it? Or...
Possibly, yeah. What else have we got? What we're looking at now? Again, see how we just
start to come away, are they?
Yeah. And I think this van's lack of use, to be honest.
Yeah.
More than anything.
Do we know what mileage it had done?
I can find out for you, Kev, if you want. I can find out. It is 30,000.
Not a lot, is it?
Not a lot at all. Considering what, it's 16 years old, Kev.
Yeah.
Basically. Again, it's all starting to peel away here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all age related,
yeah. What have we got in here? Oh, what's that? What's this? Let me just take that off. Oh, someone's decided to.
Yeah.
Just chop that off there, haven't they? We've got a tally. Haven't they? What we've got.
I'll go with the tally.
What the heck's that?
It's like a computer.
It even comes with, Kev, an iron.
An iron, huh?
Hey? As well. And then let's have a look what we've got underneath here. We've got the heating system.
Spare wheel.
We've got the boom army.
I've got a boom arm table, which
thing with it as well. Just check that thing out. That's
again,
not so bad.
Yeah, no, it's showing its age, isn't it?
Not so bad at all. Do you want to have a to the bathroom? You see what's about on the bathroom?
It's a good sized bathroom.
With the sink there as well.
Sink's had a repair, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, sink's had a repair.
Just by the side of the sink as well. Can you see that? No, that's a plug, Kev.
Yeah. Here,
just here as well.
Ah, yeah. Yeah. Again, it's all age related. It's a bit like us, Jace. It's getting a bit long in the tooth, isn't it?
We are, Kev. We are.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, the way we go about business is motorhomes at the moment aren't cheap.
Yeah.
Now, don't forget, people think we're making loads and loads of money. Basically, is because prices have gone up, we are buying them at a higher price. And a motorhome like this, what's this? 35?
Yeah, it's got to be 35.
40,000 pounds. I can't see how this is worth 35,000 at its current state. So it's something
to get that
we wouldn't put a name to.
We'd have to, by the time we put labour on it, put materials onto it, it wouldn't justify. Well, you wouldn't be making a vast profit, and you're still selling a van that's of that age. And you know, you're spending that sort of money. If you're buying it at retail, you'd want everything perfect, wouldn't you?
Yes, and that's what people expect, rightly so, because they're spending a lot of money.
Yeah, it's a big investment.
And we always say we sell dreams, Kev, don't we? That's what we do. So not every van makes it to the pitch.
No.
Basically. So there's a quick insight. See, I'm just seeing stuff here as well. Can you see? A lot of this is trim related. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of this is fixable.
Yeah.
We could put new vinyl on it and do everything else. But again, it's down to time. So this would suit somebody. I think this van's been sat for a while, you know. Yeah. I think this van's been sat for quite a while and not been moved. So this would suit someone. They're getting a cheaper van and they're getting a good motorhome, and then somebody can potter around, do the jobs on it, whatever it's for. They're getting a nice starter van and they'll be getting it cheaper.
Yeah. We get vans like this as trade-ins as well, don't we? So
yeah, and again we just move them on. But like I say, not every van makes it To the team.
No, to the top notch.
To the top notch.
To the rehoming centre.
To the no, that sounds terrible, doesn't it? This is the rehoming van. This one's rehoming, doesn't it? It wants somebody who wants to have a pot around at the weekends and do everything. And do you know what I'll probably do is wrap all these, you know?
Yeah.
Take them all off, wrap them all.
A bit better than that one.
Yeah, we'll take that one off and re-wrap it.
I think that's had a different door, because if you look at that, it's not got the profile like the other
No,
one.
it hasn't. So they've got a door from a breakers or something,
yeah,
and then just wrapped it.
Yeah.
But yeah, these are tinkering jobs that take time, and we just haven't got time.
Be nice to buy now, spend the rest of this year doing it.
Yes.
And then get it ready for next season.
Yes. Yeah. So, little Bessie car, it's not doom.
You could use it while you're doing
Somebody
it.
out there will have you and have more fun and enjoyment.
You could use it while you're doing it as well.
Use it while you're doing it. So this van is a use it while you're doing it van. Right, okay.
Go on then. Let's go find something else.
Find something else.